So what I'm doing is replacing this doggy bone torque rear engine mount, whatever you want to call it. When I went for an inspection, they told me this is bad. I don't know if it actually is bad. This part doesn't certainly look too bad. Maybe here there's grinding between the two metal pieces. It's kind of hard to say. It looks like the rubber's all there, but let's replace it anyways. It's a cheap part, and I'm gonna keep this one. Basically, what was happening is around 100, you'd feel a little bit of grinding in the steering wheel. So, got the part from Rock Auto. Here's the part. It's made in Thailand. The way you want to put this back in is this deeper end, this towards the driver. There's two bolts holding this in. They're 17s. The back one is longer than the front one, so keep that in mind when you're putting it back. And the way it goes in is so this end goes towards the driver's side. You want to put it through the top there. It comes out through the top because you can see the points, the mount points here. There's actually an edge at the bottom. That's where this is going to sit. So that's how it goes. So you can't pull it out from the bottom. And then this goes back over here. I think I'm gonna have to get that in with the hammer. Hammered it back into place. The way I took it out was I stuck a crowbar in here, and then this thing got loose, and then this just pops back, and this pops out from the top. And it's only two bolts holding it. When you put it back, make sure you torque it to the right spec and everything. And yeah, to get to this piece as well, I had to remove the plastic cover, which is several 10mm bolts and just clips, plastic clips at the back. That's pretty easy to get off. I was able to turn the screws by hand as well. It wasn't seized or anything. Although this car has quite a bit of rust around here because it is Northern Ontario. Anyways, hope this helps. I couldn't find a video that does this on a cx-5, but there's plenty of examples of doing it on other Mazdas, and it looks pretty much the same. So I hope this helps you guys. Cheers.